PRWW is currently tracking Tropical Storm Hermine as it begins to approach our area this morning. Cape May, New Jersey, in fact, is already seeing the rain as well as moving into Dover in just the next few hours. Winds of 30 miles an hour have already been recorded by buoys off the shores of the New Jersey coastline. Here's a look at the predicted track. The tropical storm is currently near the Outer Banks. It's going to move offshore later today, and then Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening, we expect the tropical storm to stall to the east of our area, including Monday. It's going to start to move towards our area as it stalls, and then by Tuesday, the storm will start to move away from our area, but shore points are going to see the worst of it. Here's a look at the active alerts. Tropical storm warning in effect for all of the New Jersey coastline as well as the Delaware coastline, and tropical storm watches are up for Long Island. Here's a look at tropical storm force wind chances. Very likely along shore points, and then less likely as you move inland. They are possible in Philadelphia. Not many weather models are suggesting tropical storm force winds that far inland, but we'd like to keep that chance as possible. And then very unlikely as you move into the western portions of our coverage area. Up to 3 inches of rain is possible along the New Jersey shoreline. 2 inches of rain is possible in New York City as well as much of Long Island, and then half an inch of rain in the rest of our coverage area. Here's a look at the storm right now. You can see beginning to approach Cape May, extreme southern New Jersey, as well as Delaware. Winds are at 50 knots or 60 miles an hour. Pressure is 995 millibars, and it is moving east-northeast at 21 miles an hour. We're going to see this system begin to slow down tomorrow as it stalls west of our area. Here's a look at the city-by-city timeline. Philadelphia is going to see some rain Sunday night into Monday morning, but that's about it. Baltimore, Allentown, and Harrisburg aren't going to get much out of this just due to their position so far inland. Much of the rain is going to be at the shore. As you can see, Atlantic City and Dover are going to get the worst of it. We wouldn't be surprised to see coastal flooding in association with this storm because we're going to see rain for much of today, definitely all of Sunday, and then much of Monday in Atlantic City and Dover. The high winds are going to be the worst in Atlantic City on Sunday and Monday as that system stalls, but then begins to move closer to our area as it stalls. So that's why Atlantic City is going to see the worst of the high winds. Dover is going to see some high winds on Monday, early Monday morning, as that tropical storm is at its closest point to our area before it begins to move out later on Monday. So keep it with us at PRWW, on our website at prww-weather.com, on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or email us at prww.weather@gmail.com.